Product success is no longer guesswork. AI helps you validate, design, prototype, and launch faster than ever. We'll start with problem discovery. GPT scrapes forums, reviews, and social posts to cluster frustrations into opportunity themes. Next, we run solution sketching. AI generates multiple product concepts with positioning, feature lists, and value props. You score them on feasibility and differentiation. Once a direction is picked, Midjourney creates concept visuals, GPT writes landing copy to test resonance. We set up a smoke test page with Stripe pre-orders or waitlist signups. Collecting signals before coding. For prototyping, we use no code plus AI. Figma with GPT-assisted wireframes. Bubble, Glide for functional demos, and user flows generated automatically. Feedback loops are tight. AI conducts interviews, clusters answers, and generates insight reports, so you refine quickly. For go-to-market, AI drafts your messaging matrix, headline, proof, CTA, variants, and creates launch campaigns across channels. Launch emails, teaser tweets, explainer threads, all drafted in queue. AI also handles support scale. Bots answer FAQs, triage tickets, and surface edge cases for product updates. For roadmap, GPT compares feature requests, prioritizes by frequency plus revenue, impact, and proposes a quarterly build plan. Investors and partners get auto-generated progress memos, showing traction and next bets. By the end, you'll own an AI-first product workflow. Discovery, design, test, launch, feedback, iterate, faster and common.